Which flexible energy contract is right for you? Introducing FastFlex. Our flexible energy contracts are designed to put you in control. They provide the freedom to shape your ideal energy strategy and the opportunity to take advantage of changing wholesale prices. At mPower Business Solutions, we know that every business needs something different from a flexible contract. Some will want a simple, time-saving contract with the benefits of flexibility built in. Others will need maximum flexibility, enabling a sophisticated approach to energy procurement. To meet these needs, we've created a range of different flexible contracts, but which one is right for you? FastFlex is a well-established approach to flexible contracting, making it ideal for businesses that have a solid energy strategy in place and know how to make flexibility work for them. With FastFlex, you get an additional layer of flexibility. It allows you to choose to purchase volume direct from the wholesale market or against an agreed index price. This gives you the opportunity to avoid market peaks and make savings when the wholesale price drops for a smoother price across your contract. With FastFlex, you will always pay for the exact amount of energy you purchased each month, without the need for reconciliations. And you can also make the choice between fixing non-commodity costs or having them passed through to you at the cost we incur. Like all our flexible contracts, FastFlex comes with the benefits you'd expect when working with a market-leading industry expert, including accurate and transparent invoicing and support from our award-winning optimization desk to help you track your position and make more of market opportunities. You'll also get access to Risk Navigator, an innovative online portal designed to put market intelligence and bespoke analysis at your fingertips. So, if FastFlex sounds like the right choice for your business, why not talk to us today?